This is my sister and my doggy. My precious doggy. Back up a second. Jenny, back up. Okay, right there's fine. She loves that fishy. You want that fishy? Go get it then. She looks like a bull trying to get the red thing, right, Jenny?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
She got mad at you. She go pop it. She pee all over.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Me too.
Yeah.
Ew, it's all wet now. That's nasty. This is why we kept her outside all day. Do pita lang gila. Ese es el estilo de pita lang gila. Pita lang. Do it again. I didn't see that. You naughty. Wait, stop. You little naughty. Shut up, move. You are a naughty girl. Rosie. Mendros. Okay. Naughty. Naughty little girl. You're nasty. We kept you outside all day. That's nasty. Again, what she did. You did it. Shut up. You can't
press the red button.
Yes, I did it. It's recording.